Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your homes. Today I am going to explain the topic that is pair of linear equation in two variables, which is chapter number 3 in your mathematics book. First, let's understand the linear equation. It is an algebraic expression whose degree is 1. Means it is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means where constant and variables are joined together with the help of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is called the algebraic expression. So linear equation is an algebraic expression whose degree is 1. Suppose it is a algebraic expression where 3 is coefficient, x is variable, 2 is constant and here degree is 1. Degree is 1 means the power of x is 1. Then it is called a linear equation. It is called linear equation with one variable because here one unknown variable. Let's study the linear equation in two variables. Here we have again a linear equation 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Here the unknown variables are x and y. Here we have two unknown variables and 3 and 4 are coefficients and 2 is constant. So it is a linear equation with two variables. In general, the linear equation in two variables are in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are not equal to 0, because if a and b are equal to 0, then these two terms will vanish and we remain only with c, which is a constant. Now come to the pair of linear equation. Pair of linear equation means we have two equations with two unknown variables. That is in the form of a1x plus v1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus v2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here again a1, a2, v1, v2 are not equal to 0, because if a1, a2, v1, v2 are equal to 0, then these terms will vanish and we remain only with c1 and c2, which are the constants. Now students, what is the use of pair of linear equation? With the help of pair of linear equation means with the help of two equations we can find the value of x and y, means we can find the solution of that equation. The solution of equation and value of x and y are the same thing. Clear? Now come to the solution of linear equation in two variables. Now we will find the solution of linear equation. In the mathematics, we have two methods to find the solution of linear equation. One is graphical method, another is algebraic method. In graphical method, we use the graphs, and in algebraic method, we do some calculations. Clear? In order to solve this equation with the help of graphical method or algebraic method, we have to check some conditions. The conditions are a1 upon a2 is not equal to v1 upon v2. If this type of equation a1 upon a2 is not equal to v1 upon v2, then there will be only one solution of the equation. This is the nature of solution. Clear? There will be only one solution of the equation. In the second condition, if a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 and this is not equal to c1 upon c2, then there will be no solution of the equation. Means if a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then there will be no solution for this equation. In third condition, if a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then there will be many solutions of the equation. Means a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 equal to c1 upon c2, then there will be many solutions of this type of equation. In algebraic equations, there are many methods, but today we will discuss about the substitution method. Let's discuss the steps of substitution method. There are 4 steps to solve the equation with the help of substitution method. First is solve one of the equation for either x or y. We have to solve the equation, either one of the equation for x and y. Then substitute the solution from step 1 into the other equation. Then we will substitute the solution of x or y in the second equation. Then solve for the new equation. Then we will solve the new equation. After that, solve for the second variable. Then we will solve for the second variable. With the help of a question, we will better understand the substitution method. Here we have a two equation. X plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. First, assume that equation, that is equation 1, and this is equation number 2. First, we have to write these equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So, let's write x plus y minus 14 equal to 0 and x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. So, let's check the condition for the equation. That means how many solutions the equation have. So, compare 3 and 4 with the general equation 5 and 6. General equation are a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Let's compare these equations. After comparing, we get a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 1, c1 equal to minus 14 and a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to minus 4. First, we take a1 upon a2. Here a1 equal to 1 and a2 upon equal to 1. So, a1 upon a2 equal to 1, 1 upon 1 that is 1 and b1 upon b2 that is 1 upon minus 1 that is minus 1. So, a1 upon a2 equal to 1 and b1 upon b2 equal to minus 1. So, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So, these equation have only one solution. Clear? So, let's solve for the equation. Now, from equation 1, we have y equal to 14 minus x. Here, x will go this side. We get the value of y, means y equal to 14 minus x. Assume that equation A. Now, put the value of y in the second equation, means equation number 2. At the place of y, we put 14 minus x. The equation is x minus 14 plus x equal to 4. That implies we have x minus 14 minus x equal to 4. That implies x minus 14 plus x equal to 4. That implies 2x minus 14 equal to 4. That implies 2x equal to 4 plus 14. That implies 2x equal to 18. And that implies x equal to 18 upon 2. That is 9. So here the value of x is 9. Our x is 9. So we put the value of x in the equation number A. From that we get the value of y. So what is the equation number A? That is y equal to 14 minus x. Here we put the value of x. That implies y equal to 14 minus the value of x is 9. That implies y equal to 5. That means the value of y is 5. That is the solution of equation x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. That's all for today. Hope you have understood. Take care. Bye-bye.